Hi everyone, Christo's here with Better at BI. And I'm sorry about my voice today, I'm a little under the weather, but I wanted to do something for PBIF. And in today's episode, I want to discuss how easy it is for us to quickly connect to internet data so that we can get a large chunk of data that we can use for education, for training, for messing around, or for work. So, with that, let's go to our screen. So, what you're seeing here is the City of Cincinnati Traffic Crash Reports website. Now, additionally, so the website there is data.cincinnati-ohio.gov. Additionally, I've got data here from the data.cdc.gov. And one of the things that lets us do is we can get a whole lot of data, like I said in the opening here. So I'm going to go to Power BI for just 1 second. I want to open up this other window for a second. Here you go. So how easy is it to get this data? So the first thing we're going to do is we'll just select Get Data. Now, we don't necessarily see, sometimes we don't see everything we want, but in this example, we do see the O data feed. So let's click on O data for a second. Now, it wants us to put in a URL. So let's go back to the browser for 1 second and let's select the COVID-19 vaccinations in the United States by county. So when I hit these ellipses here, I can select access data via OData. So I'll click on that. Now I can highlight all this and right click and hit copy, or I can just select the copy button right here. And now I'll go back to Power BI. Now I will select right click, paste, and hit OK. And now it's going to read through the data like something that we're used to seeing. And I'm just going to hit load. And then now it's going to cycle through and load all the data. Now, this could be a lot of data, so I'm not going to bore you with all the details of watching it sit there. So I'm going to go to this other tab right here. I'm going to show you this is the City of Cincinnati crash data. This goes back to January 2nd of 2012, and it goes all the way up until, well, if we go to this website, I'm trying to get there. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. If I go here, I can see this data was last updated on December 5th of this year, of 2021. It has 58,000 views. And it's approximately 288,000 rows with 26 columns. All right, and here's all the data. You can look at it yourself. I'm going to go back to Power BI for just 1 second. So here's the data. You can easily bring things in or get rid of things, or I can add day of the week. So you can do a quick chart on where most accidents, on what day of the week do most accidents happen by zip code. So it's some really, really neat stuff. So again, the purpose of this isn't to do, maybe you don't need this data for work, but maybe you are just starting off. And maybe you're starting off, whether it's Power BI, Tableau, Click, or another tool like that. Having access to this data, having free, clean access to this data is going to help you get better at BI. If you have any questions or if you want to know more about how to get to data, don't please feel free to reach out to me. You can comment down below. You can email me at Christos at better at BI. You can reach out to me on the socials. But I hope you like this. If you do, hit thumbs up and subscribe because I'm going to try to keep more of these coming along. But otherwise, have a good one, and we'll see everyone later.